Afternoon. Hi, I'm Samuel P. Martinez, and this is my reaction video for the case study titled Legal Compliance in Action. For this video, I choose the real life case of the Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal, which is a strong example of what happens when company fails to follow ID and data protection laws. In 2018, it was revealed that Cambridge Analytica, a political consulting firm, collected the data of over 87 million Facebook users without their proper consent. This data was used to influence political campaigns, including the US elections. Facebook allowed third-party apps to access not only the data of people who installed the app, but also the data of their friends without permission. This violated fundamental principles of data privacy, transparency, and user protection. The compliance issues is in the case Facebook failed several compliance requirements, lack of user consent, poor data governance, violation of privacy laws, weak security controls. Facebook faced serious consequences, 5 billion fine, the US Federal Trade Commission issued record 5 billion penalty, mandatory privacy reform, global investigation, loss of trust. Many users become aware of how vulnerable their information was. My personal reaction is, in my opinion, this case shows how dangerous it is when a company prioritizes profit and convenience over user privacy and compliance. Facebook had the resources and technology to protect data, but they failed to act responsibly. For me, the biggest lesson here is the user data is not just information, it's a responsibility. Organization needs to follow privacy laws, maintain strong data security, and always ask for their